Hi, so to set up your flat weight-based shipping in opencart, you go down to extensions, then you select shipping, and you'll see all your shipping rates that are there. Then you will go to weight-based shipping, select edit. Inside in here, you will see the general settings here for it. So we've just general setting that we've no tax class set to shipping. Typically you'd be charging local tax for shipping. That's the local tax to where your store is operating from. So here we have just set up, we have some, these are zones here that we've set up, and those zones will actually, if you need to set up new zones, those zones are actually set up here in localization and in geozones. That's where those zones are set up. So you can see in here, EU shipping, how many countries does that apply to? It applies to all these countries here. So these are all the EU shipping countries that we've actually put in there. Okay, and you will note that we do not have the United Kingdom in here, so it should not be included, just to note that. So I'll just go back to the extensions and the shipping, just to show you where you set up those rates. So we'll just go down here, shipping again, and we just click in here to weight-based shipping. Now this means that you need to have weights assigned to all your products in your catalog, and you need to be using the same unit of weight. So your unit of weight is set up in settings here. That's where your unit of weight is set up. And then your unit of weight is applied to the products in here. If you want to just have a quick look in here, you'll see under data, you will see the weight is actually set up in here, and the unit and the weight class is here. So we have this product here now, 0.5 kilograms. Okay, so that's, and these are its dimensions. So that's if you're using weight and dimensions for your shipping. That really only applies for when you're shipping very large, bulky product, that you would do that, that you would apply that. So we'll just go back into the shipping settings again, and just down here to weight-based shipping, click on edit, the zone in here. Now the way this works is, the example is up to 5, you're going to charge 10, up till 7, so between 5 and 7 you charge 12, and so on and so forth. So we have here the rate of 0.5, but if you remember, we looked at that product and it was actually 0.05. So from 0.05 we're going to up as far as 2, we're going to charge 14.50. From 2 we're going to charge 21, and so on and so forth. Okay, if you have different weight breaks for different countries, they should be, you should put in them in here. Typically you should be running the same kind of weight breaks, but depends from shipping company to shipping company. Here we have it set up here that it's half a kilogram is 8.40 in Ireland, 2 kilograms is €13, 5 kilograms is €15. Okay, rest of the world rates in here, and then if you've got other rates in here, but typically these once your shipping zone applies to, or your shipping country fits into one of these, then you will get a shipping rate out for it. Okay, I hope that helps, and you can add more. Of course, you can add more breaks as you want, but what you need to be careful of is that you don't leave a hole in the breaks. In other words, that you don't go a half a kilogram to 1 kilogram, and then the next one is from, say, 1.5 kilograms, and then anything that's 1.25 kilograms, you don't actually have a shipping charge for it. So it's good just to test and check out after you make these changes to make sure people are going to get charged the right shipping, because it's very difficult and kind of bad form to go back looking for extra money off people after they've paid up the whole amount. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, just contact us here at support@willowsconsulting.ie. Thank you very much for your attention.